Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Tea and Code. I got some chamomile here. Grab yourself something and let's get started. So today we're going to be writing this effectively, this list. So we have a recipe. So if we have a recipes list, we're going to be able to render it using these components. So these components, at the moment, they have the same data, the same recipe, but we could do it for different recipes. So that's exactly what we're going to try and do now. So let's see what we can. So if we go to the next page, which doesn't have the list, so as you can see, there's nothing here. So we're going to write a recipes list of recipe item components to fill this list, so we can render some recipes. So let's get started with that. So we're going to start by writing the recipe, the component for the list. So unordered list. First thing we're going to write. So now, so the recipe is going to have a list component, which is the component for each recipe. So it's going to be the recipe item. So at the leftmost side, we're going to have the image. So it will be easier for us to put an image in a divider or div, call it. So here we're going to put, it's going to be a container for div, as just mentioned. So then we're going to have recipe. And so that's going to be the class name, and this is going to so if the image doesn't show up for whatever reason, if the path is wrong or somehow got unable to enter, we have a message in place of the image. So healthy food, just put there for now. And now we're going to add the path that the page is going to use to find the image. So from the current directory, we're going to go to the images folder, and then we need to put our image file there. So it's going to open up the image from Explorer. So I just need to find the image now. So look. So we're going to use this because as you can see, that's the same image we've used for the other recipe items. So just add that, and we're going to put it there for the file extension APG. Good stuff. And then now we want to add the health score. So the health score is basically, so it's a rating, so 1 to 5 star rating. So we're going to use, and pretty simple. It's just going to be a 1 to 5 star rating. Also, it has the name so the name and the rating go together. So to begin with, we're going to create a div, which is going to be the container of the name and the health score. So it's going to be health score container, health score container. Let's go container, and we're going to store. So first we will have the name of the recipe that we want. So I'm going to create a paragraph class for this. So let's give it a class, and we should give it. So this recipe is called the Mediterranean salad. So that's this recipe, and we'll just close this. Good stuff. So now we want to create the actual health score that we're talking about. So it's going to be an unordered list. So li, close it off. I. So here we want to the health score is going to be it's a rating. So rating for this I'm going to use stars. So the class name for this element is going to be the font awesome star class. So just use star, and we're just going to go for start with 5 stars for now. So there we go, and very good. So great, and now in this recipe item component, we also have positives about the recipe. So positive about the recipe: vegetarian, vegan, gluten free. So we need to add those as well as positives. So that's that. So recipe positives, and we also have. Oh, so this is actually not on the list. So it's actually not on the list. Yeah. And we're going to have for each positive, it's going to be a list item. So class. So each recipe positive is also going to have a check mark next to it to show. Yeah. So we're going to write. So we need the font class for that check mark as well. So let's make class check, and so that's that, and then we'll have the name of the recipe of the positive rather. So let's go vegetarian. So that's that. We may as well have I think it's gonna be good to have a class for this recipe item as well, in case we want to change it somehow. So so yeah, so we're going to have 2 other positives. So we'll just change this. So one more. So it's going to be vegan. And then I guess there's going to be this last one is going to be gluten free. Gluten free. So let's check that out. Good stuff. So this is basically the components, the the recipe item components consists of 3 parts, and those are the 3 parts you see in there. We're going to write some the CSS for this on the next episode. Thanks guys. If you have any comments about my HTML code, anything that maybe I can do to update this HTML, or you have any other suggestions, leave them in the comments below, or anything else that you have in your mind. Also, if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot guys.